Hello guys, this is Tariq and today we are going to learn Urdu, and in Urdu we are going to learn two new vocabularies. You are going to learn how to pronounce apple in Urdu and how to pronounce sun in Urdu. Okay, so you can see the pictures if you don't know. So this is the series Learn Through Pictures, and today we are going to learn apple and sun. Okay, so let's get started. Listen carefully. Sab, sab, sab. Now I'm going to pronounce alphabets. Seen, ye, be, sab. Seen, ye, be, sab. Repeat after me. Sab, sab, sab. Let's come to the next one. How to say sun in Urdu? Suraj, Suraj. How to say Suraj? Let me pronounce alphabets. Seen, Waw, Re, Jim. Suraj, Suraj. Seen, Waw, Re, Jim. Suraj. Seen, Waw, Re, Jim. Suraj. So remember this. First one Sab and second one Suraj. So repeat after me both one by one. First Suraj. First Sab, apple, Sab. Sun, Suraj. So I'm going to read only Urdu. Listen carefully. Sab, sab. Okay, I'm going to pronounce slowly. Okay, sab, sab, sab. Okay, now second one Suraj, 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 Suraj. Okay, so this is easy. You have to listen and repeat and watch this video again and again, and repeat after me whenever you watch this video, and it will improve your pronunciation and it will help you to learn Urdu. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Before you go, please, I have a request for you. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, and share this video with your friends. Take care. Bye. Tata. Allah Hafiz.